penguin diving in a pool. Q is for quahog, a clam in the sand. R is for ray, gliding so grand. S is for seahorse, floating with grace. T is for turtle in a slow-paced race. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for viperfish, deep underground. W is for whale, shark-friendly and big. X is for x-ray fish, clear like a twig. Y is for yellow tang, shining bright. Z is for zebra shark, striped in the night. Now we've sung from A to Z, an ocean ABC. Waves are crashing